You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Dutch beer. Yes, it's not German, it's not Danish, it is. It's not English, it's Dutch, okay? So we gotta learn the Dutch pronunciation. Yeah, I'm laughing because it's quite something. So the Dutch pronunciation is as grolsch, okay? So yeah, you're gonna have to try to emulate this. Grolsch. If you cannot pronounce it, well, maybe just say grolsch, or maybe try to do the gr with a grolsch. I don't know. Yeah, how do you want to pronounce it? Let me know in the comments how you can pronounce it. Can you say grolsch or not? Let me know. Or grolsch, is that satisfying? Is that good enough? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.